What does wisdom look like in our fast-paced, modern world? It's a question that often gets lost in the buzz of our busy lives. Amidst the noise of social media updates, breaking news, and a never-ending to-do list, wisdom can seem like an elusive concept, a quaint relic of a bygone era. But what if I told you that wisdom is not outdated, but more relevant than ever before? Let's turn to an ancient source of wisdom, Proverbs 4. These verses, though penned thousands of years ago, hold profound insights for navigating our 21st century challenges. They offer guidance on protecting our emotional well-being, pursuing knowledge, making right choices, and living with authenticity. Wisdom, therefore, is not just a philosophical concept, but a practical tool for everyday life. It's about making decisions that enrich our lives and the lives of those around us. So, are you ready to rediscover wisdom in modern life? Let's dive into the first key verse from Proverbs 4. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. But what does this mean in our modern context? This verse from Proverbs is a timeless piece of wisdom that resonates even today. Think of your heart as the epicenter, the control room of your life. It's the place from where your thoughts, emotions, and actions originate. If we allow negativity, toxic relationships, or unhealthy influences to seep into this control room, it will inevitably affect everything we do. Imagine your mind as a garden. If we allow weeds of negativity to grow, it will choke the life out of our beautiful flowers of positivity. Therefore, guarding our hearts is akin to protecting this garden, nurturing it with positive thoughts, beautiful emotions, and healthy relationships. In today's world, this could mean limiting your exposure to negative news that stirs up fear and anxiety. It could mean setting boundaries on social media, where comparison and negativity often run rampant. It's about being selective about what you consume and who you allow into your emotional space. In essence, to guard your heart is to consciously choose positivity over negativity, love over fear, and hope over despair. It's about creating a safe space within you that fosters growth, peace, and joy. Guarding our hearts is just the beginning. The next verse offers more insight. Get wisdom, get understanding. Do not forget my words or turn away from them. A call to action, but how do we respond in our world today? In our fast-paced, information-driven society, the pursuit of wisdom and understanding is more important than ever. It's about more than just accumulating facts and figures. It's about seeking depth, discernment, and clarity. It's about understanding the world around us and our place in it. So, how can we actively pursue wisdom and understanding? For some, it might mean enrolling in higher education, diving into the depths of a subject that fascinates them. For others, it might mean reading books, not just for entertainment, but for enlightenment, opening their minds to new ideas and perspectives. Attending workshops and seminars can offer a platform for learning and discussion, expanding our horizons and challenging our preconceptions. It's a journey, an ongoing process that enriches our lives and guides our decisions. The pursuit of wisdom and understanding sets us on a path. Let's see where this path leads. The path of the righteous is like the first light of dawn, shining brighter and brighter until midday. How does this path look in our daily lives? Imagine the first light of dawn. It's not a sudden flash of light, but a gradual, consistent glow that brightens over time. This metaphor beautifully illustrates the journey of righteousness. It's not about achieving perfection in a single leap, but rather about making small, consistent choices that lead to a brighter life. In our modern world, this could be as simple as choosing kindness over resentment or patience over hasty reactions. It could mean staying true to our commitments, even when it's tough, or choosing to listen and understand, rather than jumping to conclusions. Think about your values. What principles guide your actions? These might include honesty, compassion, or respect for others. Prioritizing these values in our daily decisions helps us walk the righteous path, a path that shines brighter with every step we take. Similarly, consider your goals. Are they aligned with your values? Are they rooted in a desire for personal growth and contribution? Prioritizing goals that reflect our values ensures our path remains illuminated. And then, there are our relationships. Do we choose to nurture connections that uplift us, that challenge us to be better, that reflect the light we want to see in our lives? The path of righteousness is about making these choices, consistently and intentionally. It's about choosing the light bit by bit until our lives shine brighter than the midday sun. The path of righteousness leads to a life of integrity, as our next verse shows. The integrity of the upright guides them, but the unfaithful are destroyed by their duplicity. How does this verse challenge us today? It is easy to get lost in the complexity of today's world. With so many voices telling us what to do, what to think, and who to be, our moral compass can easily be thrown off course. But Proverbs 4:11, a timeless piece of wisdom, urges us to live with integrity and honesty. Integrity isn't just about telling the truth. It's about being consistent in our actions, values, methods, measures, principles, and outcomes. It's about holding ourselves accountable even when no one is watching. It's about making hard choices, even when they are not popular or easy. In our personal lives, integrity might look like apologizing when we've made a mistake, even if it's uncomfortable. Or it could be standing up for what we believe in, even when our views are unpopular. It's about staying true to ourselves, our beliefs, and our values, even in the face of adversity. In our professional lives, integrity might mean being honest with our colleagues and superiors, even when the truth is unpleasant. It might mean admitting when we don't know something, instead of pretending to have all the answers. It could mean refusing to take shortcuts, even when they could lead to immediate rewards. Honesty, on the other hand, is a fundamental aspect of integrity. It's about being truthful, not only with others, but also with ourselves. It's about acknowledging our flaws and working to improve them, rather than hiding them or pretending they don't exist. Living with integrity and honesty isn't always easy. It requires courage, strength, and most importantly, self-awareness. It requires us to constantly evaluate our actions and decisions to ensure that they align with our values and principles. By applying these timeless principles from Proverbs 4 to our daily lives, we can navigate the challenges of the modern world with wisdom and integrity. Remember, wisdom is not just about knowing what to do, but doing it.